Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Number Systems Exercise 1.5. Today we will study the justification for root 9.3. This already I have taught you in the last video how to represent root 9.3 on the number line. In this video we will study the justification. How the justification we can prove that BD is root 9.3. How to prove that? So let's see. I've already told you that O is the midpoint. Before that, let me tell you all. AC. AC is what actually? AC is what? We have taken AB. Let us assume that AB is X. Okay. So, let us assume AB is X. If AB is X, that means from here to here, if it is X, then A to C will be how much? We have taken BC as a 1 unit more or 1 centimeter we have taken. That means AC will be AB plus BC. So, AB is what? We have taken it as X. So, let AB as X. And BC is what? 1 centimeter we have taken, or 1 unit also you can take it. So AC is what? X plus 1. Now AC is X plus 1. That means AOC will be how much? So before that, let's join this point D with O. Let's join the point D with O. This is a right angle triangle. So now AO, this is a midpoint. I already told you that we had taken the midpoint. O was a midpoint. So AC and OC and OD, these all are equal because they are the radii of the same circle or the same arc. So they are the radii. Therefore OA is equal to OC and OD. These all three are equal. If they are equal, then we have to calculate now OB we have to find out, and we have to find out also OD. Because if we know the two sides, then we can prove the third side. Okay, so OB we have to find out and OD we have to find out. OD already I told you. OD is equal to OC, OC is equal to OA. So that means OC, how much it will be? OC will be equal to OB plus BC. OB plus BC. Or else we also can try to understand the other way about AC is X plus 1. That means if AC is X plus 1, then OC will be how much? Half of AC. So that way also you can try to understand. Known it this way. AC is equal to X plus 1 we said. That means OC will be half of AC. So OC is half of AC. So that means OC will be how much? AC we said X plus 1. So then can we write OC is X plus 1 upon 2. So half of AC. AC is X plus 1. Then OC will be half of AC. Therefore, we can tell this as X plus 1 upon 2. So OC or OA or OD is X plus 1 divided by 2, half of it. So one side we got it. Now we have to find out for OB. So OB will be what? OB will be, if you want to get it OB, from OC, if you minus BC, we will get OB. So to get OB, we will have to minus from OC, we have to minus from OC, we have to minus BC. So OC is how much? We said that x plus 1 by 2. This is same. OA is same, OD is same, OC is same. That means OC is what? X plus 1 by 2, and BC is what? 1 centimeter or 1 unit. So you consider here there is 1. So then we want the denominator to be the same. So with 2 you multiply both the sides. So you will get x plus 1, then minus 2 1s are 2, and then here also 2. So denominator will get the same. So what we will get? X minus 2 and here plus 1. So we will get minus 1 because bigger number sign will come. Then 2. So OB we found out x minus 1 upon 2. So OB what? OB is x minus 1, 2. Now we have to find out BD. We have to prove BD is root 9.3. So for this we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So let's do the calculation. So hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is what? X plus 1 square. Base is x minus 1 upon 2 square. Perpendicular we don't know. And what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is BD. BD square. So we have to find out now BD, we have to get it. So we'll keep the BD one side and bring the other side. Sorry, square. So this will come this side, it will become minus. So x minus 1 square, and this way. So now we'll arrange it. So I'll just bring it this side and this to the right side. So BD square equal to x plus 1 square minus x minus 1 square. Now can you see this is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the expansion for this? A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So consider this whole thing as a and the other one b. Let's take it this as a and this thing as b. So can we say this is a square minus b square form? So that means we have to write it down in this expansion form. So in the place of a we'll write down a, in the place of b we'll write down the b. So it will be x plus 1, 2, this is a, and b is x minus 1 upon 2. So whole thing let us put it in the bracket, then minus, now a is x plus 1 upon 2 and minus b is x minus 1, 2. So whole thing let us put it in the bracket. So now both the denominator same, we'll write it down together. Plus x minus 1, 2 minus here there is no any symbol, so I will not write it any symbol. So x plus 1, this is minus x, minus into minus plus 1. So now x plus x minus 1 plus 1 will get cut. Here minus x plus x will get cut. So what we have here now? X, 2x we have 2x upon 2. And here we have plus 1, so 2 upon 2. So then 2 will get cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. So what do we have now? Now we have BD square equal to, we have x. Remaining is only x. So BD square equal to x. Now when we bring the square the other side, we will get root x. Now you remember x is what? X we have considered is AB equal to x. X is what? 9.3. AB is 9.3, which is 9.3. So this is we consider as x, AB. So x is 9.3. So can we write down in the place of x 9.3? I hope children you understood this sum. Hopefully, if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you.